Once you log in to Amazon Connect, you can go to your dashboard and you can go to the section for metrics, and we can head over here to contact search. Contact search will bring up a filter screen. So I can say, show me my inbound calls, outbound callbacks, different characteristics. Let's look for inbound calls. I can search for a particular phone number. These are phone numbers on your instance. And I can set the time zone. I can even select a particular queue. We can pick the channel, voice or chat. We can look for a very particular customer phone number, the calling number, which makes troubleshooting a bit easier. If you have a contact ID, you can search for that. Using the lens feature, we can look for different phrases. But at the end of the day, what you're going to end up doing is doing a search. No results. Okay. Let's not pick anything, and let's pick a different date here. Once again, search, and we pop up the records that fit that. You'll also notice that we get a unique contact ID. So contact trace record is the whole record. The individual contact has a globally unique ID called contact ID. It's a big long number here. You get your channel, timestamps, phone numbers, the queue, what agent. You have the ability to download or even play a recording if such an. So if it exists, you can play it. If it were a transcript, you'd see it, and so forth. And you're able to do this searching, but you can only do it in 14-day increments. So if I wanted to say, show me all the phone calls since the beginning of August, when you select that, you'll see that it only goes to August 14th. If you want to see all of August, you're going to have to go here and set it to the 15th, and then go ahead and change this. Again, you can only go 14 days. So, by the way, you need to refresh this. So do another search. And at that point, your screen will once again fill up with this detail. Amazon keeps this data for 24 months. Currently, as of this date, there is no API for you to get to this data in a format other than what you're seeing here on the screen. So you can search for it 14 days at a time. You can bring up the individual contact trace record by the ID. And if there were a transcript associated with it, you would see that here. All your connection details and any attributes associated with that phone call. So it's very useful information. It's just that you're not going to be able to get at it in a format that is useful beyond what I'm showing you here. So your option is to go into your instance and set up data streaming and tap into your Kinesis stream to output your contact trace records to a consumer, typically an S3 bucket or some other elastic data lake. And then you're going to have to create your own custom report generator to sort that information and present it in a format more appropriate for human consumption.